Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So today I have something very special for all Cardano holder now, because my brother, the price in the previous days very fastly increasing, and it is possible it's near, my brother, they will hit now 3 USD dollar. Congratulations, my brother. To this time, I already said in my previous videos to invest in Cardano, hold it, Cardano, hold it, Cardano. But no one, my friends, can believe on ABS Tech channel they will give you advice, everything, my friends, special update. So why you not believe me? Please, if you want to, my friend, earn more and more money, now just click the subscribe button, and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will be earn more and more money with crypto. Now, my brother, in this time, as you can see here, 20.36% profit just in only in last 7 days. It is possible, my friends, to if they just only get a 20% profits, and every single day, my brother. So now they will give you a 10 USD dollar, This is our huge target. Absolutely, this is possible if they will get, and every single day just in only 20 USD dollar. But they will just get in only in last 7 days 20% USD, 20% profit. So this is possible, as you can see, my brothers. So they will hit now 3.5 USD dollar in upcoming week now, my brother. So kindly, this is absolutely a very good time for all Cardano holder, my brother. If you have any plan to invest now, so I am give you 100% guarantee to in upcoming days they will also moving upward. The price is increasing. So why you wasting time? Don't waste your time. Get now, buy more and more Cardanos, and definitely, my friend, in upcoming time, I am 100% sure, and everybody knows this too, in last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upwards. So therefore that's clear to upcoming days Cardano will blooms up, moving upward, go completely in the moon now. So please don't miss this chance, take a risk, and absolutely get a very huge profit in a very short time. So hope you understand something new at this video, Cardano holder. Definitely you need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent update video. See you next time, my holder, my viewers. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.